Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This car is BMW 1 Series, which is 118i, and this car is not M Sport. There are 3 spark plugs in it. I'm gonna tell you that how to change the spark plugs in this car. There's one spark plug here, one here, one here. So I have remove all the trims to make the access of this one, because this one is a bit difficult to change it because you need an access. Yeah, so to make the access, I remove all the trims, so you can remove this trim as well. So to changing the spark plugs, you need that special socket, which is 14 mm socket. This is specially designed for to changing the spark plugs. And you need that 7 mm of this one, a short one, because there are screw here. This screw you need to open with. This is a 7 mm socket, and you need these spark plug. I have taken these spark plugs, bought these spark plugs from CRM, so you can see the part number as well. So that is the part number of this. Yeah, so let me start it. So that's the first one. You need this one and loose. So this screw is loose, so you need to take it out by hand. It's very easy. Yeah, and no need to remove this one. You can simply take it out. Yeah, easily remove it. Yeah, so you need a 14 mm socket. As in a video I've shown you that the socket you needed. So this is 14 mm. Yeah, it's loose, so you can take it by hand. That's very easy. Yeah, so before putting the new one, you need to match this one with the old one. It's exactly the same. Yeah, so just tuck this one into it, and just do it tight by. Yeah, it's fully tight. Take your stuff. That's it. So put this one back in. And simply fit your screws back into it. That's it. I have shown you that the one you can change like that, and other are same way. Just follow my video and you can change it. That's it. Thank you.